Hi, today I'm going to show you how to ungroup elements in Google Slides. So for example, we have here two elements which are grouped. The first one element is a text and the second one element is a rectangle, yeah? So if we want to ungroup these elements, we need to select them and then we need to go to Arrange Settings on the upper corner. So if you want to ungroup these elements, we need to select all of them. So I have selected this group of two elements. And now I need to go to Arrange Settings, and here we have something like Ungroup. Alternatively, we can use shortcut from our keyboard Ctrl-Alt-Shift-G, but I will not use the shortcut. I select this one option, and now elements should be ungrouped. If you click outside of this group, you will be able to select text element and move it, and you will be able to select the shape and move it, yeah? So how you see it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.